Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. In this video we're going to see how to make Instagram popular reels.
So we are using Hagen AI in this video. Let's go create a video by selecting 9:16 ratio. Here you can see there are lots of avatar that you can use for your videos. You can use your pictures also by just upload the image into it. It takes few seconds for uploading the image. Here our image is uploaded. Let's create the video. Select the image and just drop here, so now we just need to adjust in the frame. So our next step is go to ChatGPT and take a small script for the video. So let's type give short motivational quote. So here our quote is ready, just copy and paste.
Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle.
Here you can see there are many voices you can use in your videos. So let's change the voice.
Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle.
So now we can submit the video and then our video is ready. Here the important message for all of you: Hagen can give you few free credits. If you want more seconds credits, you can buy the subscription. Also link is available in the description. Otherwise you can use many email IDs. Here our video is ready. Let's see it.
Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle.